Okay, they're going to start lining them up here, folks. And you're not going to find. We have 29 entries. 29 entries in this next ride. And I'll start reading them off because I have 29. Holy moly. We have, in the 12W car, we have Dylan Paul. Number 2 car, Jacob Peen. 07 car, Kyle Rimaco. 509, Jake Orland. 21X, Colin Durkot. 21 car, Aiden Peck. Number 2 car, Ty Christopherson. 57 car, Brandon Haas. 24X car, Maverick Turner. 69 car, Tiger Turner. 48 car, we have Hunter Herb. U1X car, we have Colin Hogg. Hank. 415 car, Aiden Scow. Aiden Shaw. 715 car, 715, Dawson Simon. 48 car, Jacob Wagner. The 03 car, Nathan Swanter. Yeah, somebody knows him. If you know some of these people, don't be afraid to yell out. Hedrick. 77B car, Trent Simpson. 22X car, Wyatt Sell. 218X car, Joe Anderson. 81 car, Aaron Starchika. 3X, Jacob Turville. 41 car, Jeff Duden. 31 car, Josh Workworth. 28X, Kyle Lower. That's all 29. You guys can have 29 cars this time. I've never seen that many cars in the heat in my life, but there's 60 here today, folks. This is the biggest heat, like I said, I've ever seen. I'm sure you're the same way. 29 cars. It'll be a long one, John. Hope you're ready for this one, you guys and gals. And again, what a beautiful day in downtown Balsam Lake, Wisconsin. You ready for this now, folks? Folks, I'll tell you what, like I said, did a lot of demolition derbies, but I'll tell you, I've never seen this many cars in one heat. When you go home tonight, you can tell your friends that, yeah, I was at a demolition derby today that had 29 cars in one heat. 1, 2, 3. 88. Cars going at it right here in front of your eyes. A lot of cars going. Look out. Got a lot of smoke. So here we are. Woo! A lot of crushed metal there, folks. I'm running yet. We must have about 8 or 9 here yet. A lot of cars running yet. rubber to me. All these cars out here now, folks, they're all stock, so keep that in mind. That's why they're really smacking them up and breaking them up. Cars that get modified, they don't, they take hits pretty good, but these here, nothing done to them. They're all custom. Whoa! How many we got going here? About 5. About 5 cars going. Oh! Whoa! They're banging each other now. Here we go. Let's do it again. Oh! I felt that all the way up here. Whoa! Ouch! That's a hard hit. Here we go again. Look out. Here he's going to get it. Ouch. What are we down to? About 4?
Yeah, we'll get that guy's 5th.
Okay. About done. On to 2. As far as I can see. It ain't coloring them all yet, but they ain't running either though. Working on both ends. Hold it! Hold it! Hold it! Hold it again! There! Whoa! Oh! I think we're down to 3 now. folks. Who's going to take it? Is that it? Nope. There we go. Hey. Together. 69. Gonna do. Who's winning what? Yay! Took a second, 69. Give a big round of applause, everybody! Woo! Wow! Well, you've seen it here today, folks.